If you're over 60, there's one simple nightly habit that could completely transform the way your eyes feel when you wake up, and it starts with a glass of a natural, nutrient-rich juice you can make in just a few minutes before bed. Most people never realize that the eyes repair themselves the most during deep sleep, when inflammation lowers, blood flow improves, and the body enters restoration mode. But here's the secret: if your eyes don't get the right nutrients before you fall asleep, the repair process becomes slow, incomplete, and weak. That's why many seniors wake up with blurry vision, dryness, burning sensations, and even difficulty focusing. Tonight, I'm going to share the exact juice millions of people over 60 are now drinking before bed to nourish their eyes during sleep, reduce vision strain, and help support clearer, more comfortable sight in the morning, without medications, without expensive drops, and without complicated routines. Before I give you the recipe, let me explain why this works. After 60, the eyes lose about half of the antioxidants they had in your 20s. These antioxidants are what protect the retina, lens, and optic nerve from oxidative stress, the #1 cause of age-related vision problems. When this protection weakens, the lens becomes cloudy, the macula weakens, and the small blood vessels that feed your eyes become stiff. That's when problems like blurry vision, difficulty reading small text, halos around lights at night, and tired eyes begin to show up more often. But what if you could flood your eyes with the exact nutrients they're starving for, right before they enter repair mode? That's where this nighttime juice comes in. Imagine giving your eyes a warm, comforting blanket of protection before bed. The main ingredient is carrot, a powerful source of beta-carotene, which converts to vitamin A. This is essential for low-light vision, night driving, and preventing the lens from clouding. Next is beetroot. Most people don't know this, but beetroot increases nitric oxide in the blood, which expands tiny blood vessels and improves circulation to the eyes while you sleep. Better circulation means better nutrient delivery and faster repair. Then comes cucumber, a natural hydrator that reduces puffiness, soothes dryness, and nourishes the tear glands. Add a small piece of ginger to reduce inflammation around the optic nerve. And finally, a squeeze of lemon to add vitamin C, one of the best nutrients for protecting the retina from oxidative stress. Together, these ingredients form a powerful, natural remedy that feeds your eyes exactly what they need right before bed. When you drink it at night, your body uses these nutrients the entire time you sleep. Now picture this: you drink this juice about 30 minutes before bed. As you begin to relax, the nutrients slowly enter your bloodstream. By the time you reach deep sleep, your body is already repairing damaged cells, washing away inflammation, and restoring healthy eye tissue. By morning, your eyes feel less dry, your focus is clearer, and reading becomes easier. Many people over 60 say they wake up with brighter, more refreshed vision after just a few nights. And after a few weeks, things like glare, night vision problems, and constant eye strain start to reduce dramatically. Now, let me walk you through the recipe so you can make it tonight. Take 1 medium carrot, half a beetroot, half a cucumber, a small slice of ginger, and the juice of half a lemon. Blend them with 1 glass of water. If you want it sweeter, add 1 apple, but only 1, because too much sugar before bed isn't good. Strain it if you like a smooth texture, or drink it as is for more fiber. Drink it cold or slightly chilled. But let me tell you a story that shows just how powerful this nightly habit can be. A 68-year-old woman named Farida had been struggling with blurry vision for years. She couldn't read her phone without holding it far away. Driving at night became scary because the lights looked like big, glowing stars. Her eyes were constantly dry, and she was using drops 3 to 4 times a day. After hearing about this juice, she decided to try it every night for 21 days. In the first week, she noticed her eyes felt less irritated when she woke up. By the second week, she said the words on her phone looked sharper. By the third week, she realized she wasn't squinting as much, and she was able to read before bed without feeling tired. Her night vision improved so much that she began driving again with confidence. This is the power of giving your eyes what they need before sleep. But I want to make one thing clear. This juice is not a magic potion. It won't replace glasses, it won't cure diseases, and it won't fix major eye problems. But what it will do is nourish, support, and strengthen the natural healing process your eyes go through every night. And when you support that process consistently, the results can be extraordinary. This juice works because it targets all 4 major causes of age-related vision decline: oxidative stress, poor circulation, inflammation, and dryness. Every sip fights these issues while you sleep. Now let's talk about timing. Drink this juice 30 to 45 minutes before bed. Not right before lying down, because you want your body to begin absorbing the nutrients first. And remember, consistency is everything. If you drink this juice once, you won't feel much. But drink it every night for 2 to 3 weeks, and you'll feel the difference. Your eyes will feel lighter, fresher, more stable. You'll blink less, squint less, and read more comfortably. And perhaps most importantly, you'll be supporting your long-term vision health. There's one more thing I want you to do before you sleep tonight. After drinking your juice, close your eyes for 1 minute and gently massage the area around your temples and eyebrows. This increases blood flow even more and helps the nutrients reach your eyes faster. It's a simple step that can double the benefits of the juice. So if you're over 60 and tired of blurry mornings, tired eyes, or the feeling that your vision is slowly slipping away, start this tonight. Your eyes work hard for you all day. Give them this gift before bed, and let them repair, rebuild, and restore while you sleep. You deserve to wake up with eyes that feel young again. Your vision is your independence, your joy, your connection to the world. Protect it. Strengthen it. And let this nightly juice be the first small step toward clearer, healthier sight.